Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to recover a deleted video in TikTok. Maybe you accidentally deleted it or your friend decided to play a joke on you and deleted the video. How to recover it? Very simple. To do this, you go to TikTok, then take a screenshot of your profile. After that, you click three bars. Press Settings and Privacy. Go down a little lower and select the item Report a problem. And here you find the item Video and Sound. You wait a few seconds and then you go down. And here we find the item Video Missing. And we click Other. Here we select the item Problem Not Solved. Then we click here and you will see a window like this. Here you need to describe your problem. You can write something like mine. After that you click Add a photo. Choose our screenshot and click Submit. And now our video should be restored within 1 day. That's an easy way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.